wrapped in bedding and carried out from what was once their home. 3 members of one family, victims of twin earthquakes that have ripped Turkey apart. This is the epicenter of the second quake, and a massive search and rescue operation is underway. Here, under the rubble, someone lives. And for those waiting, it is anguish as the hours tick by.
There's a woman under there. She's been crying out a lot. Others are with her, including children. It's a huge catastrophe. I've never seen anything like it in my life.
Her brother and his wife can do nothing but watch. And eventually, somehow, she is brought out alive. A rare moment of joy on a dark day.